Nearly 2,000 years ago, in Jerusalem, during the Passover festival, history changed forever. Jesus Christ traveled through the land teaching about love, forgiveness, and the kingdom of God. He healed the sick, gave sight to the blind, and brought hope to the hopeless. Crowds followed him, but some leaders feared him. One night, Jesus gathered with his disciples for a final meal. He broke bread and shared wine, telling them it represented his body and blood, given for the forgiveness of sins. Later, in the Garden of Gethsemane, Jesus prayed in sorrow, "Father, not my will, but yours be done." Soldiers arrived. Judas betrayed him with a kiss. Jesus was arrested. He was brought before the governor. Though no guilt was found in him, the crowd cried out, "Crucify him." Jesus carried his cross through the streets of Jerusalem to a hill called Golgotha. There, he was nailed to the cross. For hours, he suffered. And before he died, he said, "It is finished." The sky grew dark. The earth shook. Hope seemed lost. His body was placed in a tomb, sealed with a heavy stone. But on the third day, everything changed. At sunrise, women came to the tomb and found the stone rolled away. The tomb was empty. Angels declared, "He is not here, he has risen." Jesus had conquered death. He appeared to his followers alive. Easter is the celebration of that victory, a reminder that death is defeated, sin is forgiven, and hope is alive. This is the story of Easter. He is risen. He is risen indeed.